You all know I love Amazon, but I love a deal even better. Let's check out what I found today. All right, everybody, it is almost summertime, so I had to order me a glass pitcher. In this pitcher, I can fill it up with teas and lemonades and water and make sure I'm cool and refreshed. Let's check it out. All right, everyone. I love this size. It's just three of us here. My fiance, he really doesn't like teas and lemonades and drinks like that. So this is great for myself. I can have enough room to pour about 4 or 5 drinks throughout the day. I love the stainless steel top that it has, and also a lock and seal that keeps it in place and keeps it a little bit fresher longer. Very nice size. I love how it looks. Very good buy. Run Run Deals have deals all the time. So make sure before you check out on Amazon, you check out the page and see if they have any coupons to go with your everyday needs.